Now say there is a convex lens. Initially the rays were converging at point O without lens. When you place this lens of certain focal length, rays get converged at the point I. So when this lens is placed here, the distance of this point O is 10 centimeter and the distance of this I or the image is 8 centimeter. Now you have to find out the focal length of the lens. So see here, when the rays were initially converging at point O, so that point O is acting as a virtual object for this lens. So this is the object distance. So we are given here 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. For the lens, O is a virtual object. So the U can be taken as 10 and V can be taken as 8. So it is here 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 10, and here in this case we can take here the LCM, or we just solve this here, that is a 80 and 10 minus 8. So 1 upon F is equal to, that is 2 by 80, that is 1 by 40. So F is equal to here 40 centimeter. So this is the focal length of the convex lens, that is F is equal to 40 centimeter.